I want to congratulate the World Trade Center St. Louis, the international division of the St. Louis Economic Development Partnership, for these great growing global events. We are excited about the projects that our partnership teams are working on. Our 39 North Ag Tech Innovation District team is working with the World Trade Center and ag trade organizations in places including the United Kingdom, Argentina, and Ireland to bring international ag companies to St. Louis. Our World Trade Center and Mosaic teams are working with our federal designated Promise Zone team to identify minority-owned, women-owned, and immigrant-owned businesses to support their access to new global markets. While international trade is critical to large corporations, it is important to remember that this is also a great avenue for smaller, local, Main Street companies who want to scale up and export their goods to a global market. With the impact of COVID-19 on businesses, it has made importing and exporting more complicated, but certainly still a significant part of companies' business plans and growth models. These companies are pivoting and navigating their way through the pandemic. And like those businesses, we also have pivoted. The partnership teams spent considerable time working with small businesses to get funding, technical support, and consulting to help keep business growing through the pandemic when many were unsure if they would actually make it. And we are continuing to work with businesses as we shift to a recovery and growth model. We revamped our Business Retention and Expansion BRE Committee. We facilitate this regional committee that now includes our local and state economic development partners, the utility companies, and others, all focused on keeping and growing businesses in the St. Louis region. At the beginning of the pandemic, all the economic development organizations in the St. Louis region came together to share issues and solutions with each other. This was particularly helpful, and this group continues to meet, resulting in best practices and recovery opportunities for the region. The theme of this growing global event is Lessons in Global Leadership. This is such an important conversation for us to have now. We are so pleased that Arnold Donnell, a great friend of St. Louis, is here to share his comments. Thank you, Arnold, and thanks to our World Trade Center team.